Hi again everyone, I was thinking a lot before continuing these videos because I think maybe it's not how you love to a person look for a job, remote jobs, but after posting my first video on that, I understand that I need that to do for myself because now I'm doing something that is more hatred for me than other things that I can prefer. But let's start to look for something because in the place I am now, I think everything is so hard for me and I can't find anything. So let's start. At first, I think it's better to look what happened to our search for the jobs and the past thing we done. And after that, we are going to talk more about that. Let's take a look and see if we have any notifications. Okay, a post by I am thrilled to share. Okay, so I think from the messages we didn't get anything that we want. So let's start searching for other jobs. We are going to make it remote. Title machine learning engineer. Just go and see what we can find. Okay, jobs. Most recent. Why it's not finding? Because it's not the city, I think. Let's go, for example, with Amsterdam and see how it's going to work. Okay, they need it. Let's go and find machine learning European Union. 2 hours ago, 47 applicants. I think it's really hard. Meet the hiring team. Okay, machine learning team, mid-level, remote, gaming startup, full-time, anywhere. Are you excited by instead of about team? They are an ambitious gaming. I think I can apply for that, but you will design, build, and deploys. Okay, collaborate game designers, develop scale ML pipelines, work with real time. Required 2 or 4 years of experience in machine learning. A strong promise in Python. Hands-on experience with GCP. I don't have. I have it. I have it. I have it also. Nice to have. Okay, let's apply for that. I think it's going to be useful for me. Upload resume. And I think also it's good to message him because I think I really I can't find him. Okay, because the message is not open. He didn't give us access. Add a note. Hello. It's nice to speak with a person of such a high. What I say, such a high. I will fill that. Such a high posture. I think I'm going to need to fix that. I find your job requiring very interesting. I really hope that I can work with you because of my long gaming experience both in mobile and PC. Okay, let's continue that. And PC games like Dotado, and Genshin Impact, and a lot more, like COD. Okay, let me copy that. Go to ChatGPT as always. Can you make it more appropriate and under 200 word? Thanks. Maybe contacting with him is going to increase my... Hello, it's pleasure to speak with someone of your understanding. If you under 200 words, it's more than 200. Under 200, what I can't, under 200 alphabets, sorry, under 200 letter. Okay, I think it's good. Let's paste it. Okay, how I can, let me delete that. Okay, let's send it. I think it's good. Let's continue our job search. I think we were here. Okay, we have an Excel that we are filling the sites there, but I think I can't find it now because of how disaster person I am. But let's take a look for that. I'm really bad at these things, and also I'm really bad at making everything folder to folder, and I don't know who I look like because my father is a very neat person and he do everything as planned and as everything has a place in the house. But now I think I'm more like myself, not everyone else. Okay, I can't find it, but I'm going to find that in the for the next video. So let's continue with this thing. I think this site is good. So what we are going to do, we are going to create one of them. It's like this, so I can copy that. Let's go to senior machine learning engineer. Let's read about talent has no borders. Perfect mission is to contact the rule. We are engineering for one of our clients. You are perfect candidate. You are growth volunteer. You'll love to do what we are working. Proven experience, problem solving experience with programming language such as Python or... Okay, let's apply for that also. Okay, let's see how we can apply for that. You see the peoples are applying are a lot, but we are one of them, and it's a shame if I don't apply for that. Okay, we need a password. Let's go with the password. There is a Gmail that they sent for me. Let's take a look and see the verification code. Okay, let's copy that. My LinkedIn is open, but I don't know why it's need verification, but it's up to LinkedIn. If you like, let's also open that, see if we can apply for that or not. I'm actively looking for job. What required field I'm not filling. Okay, let's go to the next country. Maybe maybe I'm going to move out. Why I do front end, back end? AI engineer, it's the best thing that machine learning, I think it's best suitable for me. What's your stack? Python. Year of experience, I think more than 6 years now. Advanced, I love these two things. I'm working with more than 3 years, and 3 years, I think, both of them. I say myself intermediate. Framework, I not work with any of them. Cloud platform, I have a little, very little basic. Tools, I am very good with Excel, I think. I was working with that a lot of time. 8 is good. Functional SQL, LLM, I have no 2 or 3 things about them, but I'm not going to make them a lot. I think basic is good. Others, I'm not machine learning. I think 3 years, it's good. Intermediate, I call myself. Okay, how much full-time hours do you have in machine learning? 3 years. Oh, it's very open year. I think I was a teacher for year or 2. Let's go with 2. How much of it has been freelance? No, I'm never freelancing. I want to earn per month. I think 180 is good. For a starter, full time, it's better. What's your English level? I understand. Yes. When can you start working? Immediately. Immediately. Improve yourself. Upload a CSV. I'm going to use my LinkedIn. Let's see how I can give my LinkedIn to them. How I can share it. Let's take a look. View profile. Open to hiring. No, I don't want it now. I want to just share. I just want to share my LinkedIn account. How I can share my account? I can't find that. So I think it's good. Okay, I have a GitHub also. If you follow my courses, you know I have a good GitHub. I'm not very proud of it, but it's a good one. Let's paste it here. I don't have Kaggle. Next. Why it's taking? Okay, we're glad you want to be part of. No. Okay, I'm now waiting for review. Let's go to the next thing. Senior developer, remote full-time, easy apply. Let's apply for that, but at first read we have the things that it wants or not. Okay, let's apply for that. Additional, how many works do you have with Amazon Web Service? Okay, I think I can't apply for that. Let's go to the machine learning. Design, develop an envelope, create. Okay, I think I'm good for that. Oh, it's also okay. Enter your LinkedIn URL. It needs my resume, so I'm not going to find that, I think, but it's going to be there. I think let me just open that and see if it's the resume or not. I have two resumes, one for job and one for university, and I don't want to apply it wrong. No, I think it's for job. Okay, it's not also. Let's put that here. Okay, let's go with 10. And let's put it 40 and 5. Apply. Okay, it's fun to take an interview. Okay. How are you? Fine. Okay, I think I can take it by now. I need to. Oh. Okay, we apply for that, but for the interview, it's with my sound. Because of that, I'm recording. I can have the sound. So we apply for 3. Let's take continue of it in the next video. Have a nice